How to trade on crypto.com 2022. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go on crypto.com, download the app on your mobile, and then you have to open it like this. Now over here there are different kinds of coins over here. Now if you want to buy any coin, then you have to click on Bitcoin. Let's say I'm buying a Bitcoin, then I have to click on Bitcoin, and then it will show me the price ranges that have been set it in throughout that time. Let's say I am going by day, I can go by 8 hours, I can go by a week, and then it will tell me everything, and I can go by 6 minutes, and this will tell me all the charts that are going in the Bitcoin. Now if I want to buy a Bitcoin, I can buy it right over here and connect my cryptocurrency app, and I can buy it right now. But if I want to send it to someone, I can send it to someone over here by clicking on send and send it to someone I want to swap this coin with money. So I'm going to have Bitcoins and swapping it to like USD. I'm going to say USD, and over here I can swap it. This is how you can use crypto.com and trade on crypto.com. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.